Welcome to our guide on investing basics for beginners. If you're looking to grow your wealth and secure your financial future, investing is a crucial step. Today, we'll explore the fundamentals to get you started on your investment journey. What is investing? In simple terms, investing is putting your money to work for you. It's a way to potentially increase the amount of money you have by purchasing assets that you believe will increase in value over time. Let's talk about the different types of investments you can make. There are several options, each with its own set of benefits and risks. Stocks or shares of a company give you a small ownership stake. Bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or governments with a promise of repayment with interest. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are similar to mutual funds but are traded on stock exchanges. With investing, there's always a trade-off between risk and reward. Higher potential returns usually come with higher risk. It's important to understand your own risk tolerance and invest accordingly. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compounding. Compounding occurs when the earnings on your investments begin to generate their own earnings. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your money. Diversification is key to managing risk. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Ready to start investing? Begin by setting clear financial goals. Next, create an investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Choose a brokerage account that suits your needs and make your first investment. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with a single step. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.